Yes, hello, ladies and gentlemen. By the name Paul Richard, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be taking you through information sources. What do we understand by information? Information sources is our topic of the day today. So let's first open our PowerPoint presentation and see information sources. What do they mean? So information sources and published information sources. So based on our presentation outline, we are supposed to learn what we call definition of information, the major meaning of information actually, then primary versus secondary sources, scholarly versus popular, format types, journals, books, and conference papers, conclusion. So, in other words, let's go straight to the point where I understand the point, what information means. So, the definition of information is an information source is any medium which provides information. Any medium which provide information, like for example, mediums like channels for which the information is being passed from one person to another or from one geographical location to another. So in that way, we go through the sources of information, the different types of information. One, we have what we call primary sources and secondary sources of information. Primary and secondary sources of information. So in that way, we shall go straight to the point. We are seeing the differences between primary source and secondary sources. One, in primary, the information is original, with its confidential and original, whereby it is actually got from the real source, meaning that it's not of the second hand. Whereas in secondary source of information, the information got is secondary. It's actually first hand. It's from primary to secondary, meaning it has passed in different stages of what? Processing, or different points, different strategies where it has been obtained from. So the primary source of information is also accompanied with evidence. Evidence, the reason for which information is being got, and the repercussions to be followed. Whereas the secondary source is evidence from the primary source. The secondary source is actual evidence from its primary source. I see. So the point is that when we have to look information is something which is very broad. It has got different types. It has got different types, primary sources and the secondary sources. Also scholarly versus popular. In scholarly sources of information provides authoritative information, whereas popular provides crucial for providing current evidence, breaking news. Information is in form of journals in scholarly, academic books, conference proceedings, still in scholarly, whereas in popular, the popular sources include newspapers, articles, magazines, and websites, and so forth. Then, to add on it is that when you have to see here, scholarly information, then there are things called format types, the basis for which it is being made. Definitions refers to how data. Definition of format types refers to how data is structured, stored, displayed, ranging from documents, images, and videos actually. Format types include PDF for layout, presentations or preservation, docs for word processing, and so forth. So when you see here, we have examples of journals where what we call periodically published collections of refreshed aim and disseminating specialized scholarly work is what is here. So on top of it again, there is what we call books and conference papers. Books offers what we call first-hand information or offers first publications, whereas conferences give us what we call concise, peer-reviewed documents. A key in computer engineering, whereas in conferences, preliminary research, comprehensive analysis in books, and academic meetings in share conferences. So in conclusion, therefore, primary sources and secondary sources of information are essential for communication and research strategies in sharing of information in our day-to-day life. So within that very short time, I would love you guys to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will always remain the same very person who will gonna be taking you through the second lecture I'm by the name Paul B. Richards, pursuing higher education access in biology and chemistry. Thank you to the world of information literacy. I'll be taking you still each and every time. Thank you so much. Thank you.